Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a triangle with rounded corners in PowerPoint step by step. Let's begin. Choose triangle shape, hold shift, draw, then again insert tab, shapes, use oval, hold shift, draw any oval, use, then right click on your mouse, copy, again right click, paste, again right click on your mouse, copy, paste, then place three corners. You can use perfectly or smoothly. Example, I use normal. Again insert tab, shape, draw a rectangle shape, right click, copy, again right click, paste, again right click, paste, then adjust to this rectangle. Press Ctrl Z back. Okay, then select triangle, hold Ctrl, select rectangle, shape format, mark shape, subtract, then hold Ctrl, select oval or with triangle, shape format again, mark shape, union. You can use perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.